We're Team 36, and for our final project, we built Frogger. So the general thing is that we've got two different boards that are auto-selected based on which board is reset first on startup. So to outline our game, we're just going to show you what it looks like, what actual gameplay looks like. So this is the frog board indicated by F on the LED matrix. The other board has a C on their LED matrix. So the goal is just to get the frog across the screen, but if they get hit by a car on their way over, it's game over. When you are done playing the game and you're back to the menu screen, you can exit the game by hitting the right button, which will give you a goodbye message on both boards, and then turn the screen off and the board will be halted. Okay, so this is how we used ECE 0 for the joystick. We use it to control the movement of the frogs in the frog screen, and for the car view, it controls the cursor on the left-hand side of the screen. We used ECE 1 for the potentiometer here, which controls the car speed. So here's the lowest value. You'll notice it's a very slow speed. Then here's like an intermediate value, a little bit faster, and then the fastest value with the potentiometer all the way zooms across the screen. So this shows our use of the UART. You'll see that the packets are printing every 5 seconds, or showing how many packets were sent, how many were received. You'll notice that sent is much higher than received, as the frog board sends the frog position data every tick, which is 10 times per second. So there's quite a lot of packets being sent by the frog board. So for timers, we used a 5 millisecond one to alternate the patterns for the LED matrix to show a letter persistently. And we also used a timer that goes off at the rate of 10 hertz to display the game on the screen. And we also, for our watchdog timer, when we unplug another board, this board will stop receiving packets. So after 10 seconds, we'll notice that this LED matrix will stop flashing and the game board will become unresponsive, as we see here. Okay, so here's how we use the EEPROM for storing the team name data. We'll press the PS2 button, so that shows us the values that are already in there, and we're going to change them. So it prompts us first for player 0, showing it what it currently is. I'll just change it to test 1. And for the second player, test 2. And for the team name, 34. So you'll see that it reset the board and it reprinted the new values. So that's how we use the EEPROM for storing the team values. Okay, so here we're going to show how the wireless communicates between the two devices. So here's the frog board. You'll see as we move the frog, it's being displayed in the same place and position on both boards. And then when we send a car or a truck, you'll see it being displayed in the same places on both boards. Okay, so another thing we use the EEPROM for is storing frog deaths, so number of frogs that we killed. So we're going to go ahead and kill this one. We'll look at the score. We'll see 1 frog's killed, and to show that it updates, we'll do another one. And we'll check the score again, and 2 frogs are killed, so we store that in the EEPROM and reread it for this menu.